Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to the course of Mastering Basic Lighting Systems. In the first lesson, I'm going to introduce what is called Romaji and how to input Japanese using the keyboard. So what is Romaji? It's romanization of Japanese characters. Romanization is turning other non-alphabet characters into alphabets. And this is also a primary input method for devices with keyboards, computers and stuff. And this is used to teach Japanese, especially for beginners who haven't got used to Japanese characters. So how does it work is so this is kanji, how things are written in kanji, and this is read as watashi. And in hiragana it's gonna look like this, watashi. And in Romaji it's gonna like this, watashi. Hmm. So it's intuitive, right? It's just you thinking you can imagine the sound corresponding with each of these letters, watashi. And then how do you set up your keyboard on your PC? So first, what input resource to pick is I'm like to recommend this one, Google Japanese input. Mm. Yes, this is really I think this is probably the best input resource as far as I know. So first install this one, and after that, add a Japanese keyboard on your computer and set the source to Google Japanese input. How do you do that? Yes, it's different depending on what device you're using, Mac, Windows, what else. So I'm putting manuals on the description, links to the manuals, so on the description. So please check them out if we haven't set this up yet. So and once you down the setting, you're now ready to go. So try inputting something. Watashi. Yeah, it's like this. Just just press enter and it's gonna look like this. And you might wonder how do you input a kanji. It's actually pretty simple. Type watashi and then press space and it's gonna convert it into kanji. Or if you press more spaces, it's gonna suggest other options. Because kanji so there are actually many. Sometimes there are many different kanji that have the same sound. So sometimes you have to pick from many different options. And what is good about a Google Japanese input is the suggestion is pretty smart. It learns very effectively from the users, how they convert characters into kanji or some other characters. And another good thing about this input system is it has also the phrase suggestion system too. So it also learns frequently used phrases and just typing some of the letters, it can suggest likely phrase that you're going to type. So that's also pretty good. All right, so now you're ready to type some words in Japanese. So please try typing some. Yeah.